I know. I told you guys I wasn't getting this yet. But Amazon is my friend. They just keep putting it on sale and keep putting it on sale. They know I'm watching and they know I got issues. So let's get this thing popped open. This is the Rolalo Omni Terminator. It says carbon fiber suspension on the box, but I'm not so sure this is that one. That's not the one I ordered. It's supposed to be the green one, but I guess the boxes all say the same thing. I don't know. This is the first time I've ever owned it. So let's just crack this thing open to see what's inside. Okay, I had to cut the box open and everything, but it smells like a LiPo battery in here. Y'all know that smell that LiPos have, and there's a lot of stuff in here. Wow, a lot of stuff in here. Battery straps in here, a wheelie bar in here. A few tools in here, an extra pinion gear. It's a lot of stuff in here, guys. It's a lot of stuff in here. Stickers, the manual, all of that stuff. We get to that stuff. You guys have seen this unboxing before. I might not even go through all that. But here is the remote. Yeah, this is the one, the green one. Obviously, we just saw that it's the green one, right? So that's confirmed. The green one does not come with carbon fiber. The little cover on this remote, little stuff on here, but this is just a box. So, you pop that open and it looks just like the one from the first Rolalo I bought, Arlalo, however you want to pronounce it. You guys don't hang me out to dry. The wheel is nice. Got this little phony brake caliber on there. That's cute. Anyway, the handle is plastic. I'm gonna put some foam on that. I'm gonna do that myself. I could switch my lanyard from the other radio to this one. That's cool. Clearly takes 4 batteries. Supposed to know how to open a battery bay. I don't know why it fought me. But you can also put a LiPo in here. It's got the plugs for it. Cool. I love how these companies are really thinking about, maybe I don't want to use regular batteries. So anyway, this box has nothing in it. It's just a spacer. We'll put it back. Nobody told me you had to put the tires on yourself. Guess I wasn't paying attention to the unboxings in previous videos. But yeah, here are the tires. You gotta put those on yourself. Yep, gotta put them on yourself. That's fine. And the car. So we're gonna do that and come back. Just for the record, guys, they give you a lot of stuff. I got the speed gear, got some Allen keys, got some extra gaskets for the diffs. Clearly we can tune them and they're ready for you to do that. I think this is the speed gear. So that's just cool. That's just gas cool. Tires on. Time to pull the plastic off. This thing even got mirrors, man. That's crazy. With little shiny pieces for you to see it. That's nuts. Nice attention to detail. And no, this is not the carbon fiber version. I'll pull the tethered body clips. Rubber tethers. Very nice. And take the body off. Everything is tight on this thing. Yeah, I had just clipped it out of there. Everything is nicely done on this thing. Like I said, this is not the carbon fiber. If it were, you see carbon fiber on the A-arms, on the lower part of the A-arms. But looking in here at the top side view, here's the included battery, which is wonderful. Very nice electronics. Comes with everything you need since we got the battery. I don't have batteries in the remote. Guess we should put some batteries in the remote and see what happens. So, batteries in the battery bay. And where's the on-off switch? Right here. And she's on. Everything works. Everything works. There's the light kit on the front. Yellow lights. Different. Yeah. I hate to say this, guys, but I do not have time to get out and run this right now. But I just wanted to crack it open, show it to you guys, let you know that I do have it, and I will be getting video up on it soon. So, as always, remember, if you're not crashing, I can't say it like that, it's got to be said right. If you ain't crashing, you ain't bashing. This is TKS Hobby saying, be safe and be blessed. Turn it again. Yeah, when you see it again, I have the decals and things on there so it can look a little sharper. Definitely not 1/10 scale. This is to me is, I don't know. I said I was finna stop, but I gotta make a quick comparison. Gotta do it. I got a 1/14 scale up here. And I got this called 1/10 scale. So it's not a 1/14, not a 1/10. Do I have a 1/12? I don't think I got a, yes I do. I got a 12 scale. Let's look at that. Just for the sake, we go for Lalo's. That's the 1/14 scale. Just relook at it real quick. Put that back up here. And we do have a 1/12 scale. Let's put them on top. It's a little longer than a 1/12 scale, hub to hub, just a little bit. Let me get it hub to hub, truly. Yeah, it's just a little bit longer. So I guess it's like a 1/11 scale. It's not a 1/10 scale. I can definitely prove that, just for the record. I got a small 1/10 scale too to look at. It ain't the biggest. Yeah, you're going on top. So we know, just looking at that, hub to hub, I hold it so we can see. It's not a 1/10 scale either. But we knew that. We knew all that stuff going in. That it wasn't a true 1/10 scale truck. It was a little different. So that is the Omni Terminator unboxing. Again, all of this stuff, extra battery straps. Oh my goodness. Bunch of other knickknacks and whatnot, pads and stuff. Charger for the battery, don't need that. And of course, the wheelie bar, which we will have on there. Pull out there. And there's this little bag everybody's talking about. You get this little bag for all your goodies. That's cool. And Open it up a little further. We don't want to mess up the sticker sheet. Sticker sheet. Instructions for installing the wheelie bar, in case you don't know how to do it. Some extra zip ties. Said I wasn't going through all this, but I guess I got to. And I don't really know. This is just a sheet. I have no idea what this sheet is for. Oh, if you want to upgrade to 17 millimeter hex hubs, it tells you how to do that. And it's a quick guide for, oh, that's cool. A quick guide for the upgrade parts, the hop ups, some more stickers. Put all that stuff down. And the manual. It's in English and Chinese. It's the Chinese half. I'm in the English half. Should be some exploded views we'll see somewhere. Parts list. Usually after, yeah, there you go. Exploded views and all of that kind of stuff. Everything you need to know. Do the shocks, the diffs. I don't know if there was one before that. Nope. Let's see if there's any more. Oh yeah. Very, very extensive manual. Well, all not slipping. So anyway, that's everything that you get with the Omni Terminator. In case anybody was thinking, and this is the regular brush version with the, what is it, the 2800. I forgot the size of the motor, guys. Hold on. Let me get the box. Well, you know what? We're not gonna worry about it. This is the one with the small motor. We just gonna say that. This is the one with the smaller motor. Of course, you can add a speed gear, and it runs really well. At least that's what I've seen in the other reviews that I've seen. So we're gonna get out and see for ourselves. So now, let me say, this is TKS Hobby. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like bell, smash the notifications bell so you can find out about more content. And as I said, if you ain't crashing, you ain't bashing. Stay safe, be blessed. Peace.